We've all been there. You find yourself in a medical emergency and you need help as soon as possible. Odds are, in that moment, you're probably not too worried about shopping around for the best price, right? But one local man is urging you to consider the price before a trip to the emergency room. Tonight, he shares his experience and 11 listens. When an emergency calls, it's here we often turn for help.
That's the first place most people think of when they need care.
For Jeremy Caton,
A drunk guy was doing drunk guy things.
that moment came 2 months ago while he was working at a bar.
He attacked me with the cheap left hook and he had fractured my jaw.
That blow sent him to the emergency room. The diagnosis was enough, but it was multiple medical bills from Baptist Health.
Another bill for the x-ray right here.
After his visit to the ER,
And then just a generic bill from a doctor.
that really took him by surprise.
Well, I got 4 separate bills from 4 separate entities that are associated with Baptist Health Hospital.
Caton says he was only seen in the emergency room, had x-rays and CT scans done.
They'd come up with just shy of $5,000 of charges just to tell me that my jaw was fractured.
11 Listens reached out to Baptist Health asking how prices are determined for billing. A spokesperson said in part, the total cost may vary depending on insurance benefits. The hospital charges do not include charges that you may incur from other members of your healthcare team that participate in your care.
They're letting these people come in, and not only is Baptist Health charging you for it, but then having their associates also charge for that exact same procedure as well. And so they're double billing.
Caton is now in the process of disputing his bills. Meanwhile, he wants others to learn from his experience. His advice? Do your homework before you find yourself in an emergency.
I think it's sad that we have to do our homework before checking out a place, especially in an emergency. I think the best thing for people to do is to really just look into where you want to go before an emergency happens.
Now, it's important to note each hospital has their prices for procedures and services posted on their respective websites. And if you're insured, you can also turn to your insurance benefit information provided by your insurance company. And remember, when you have a question about something where you live, we want to hear from you. Let THV11 know. Just simply email us at 11listens@thv11.com, or you can reach out to me directly on Facebook or Twitter.